In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert or add a link in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for this case, I want to show you how we can add a link on a text. Alright, so to add a link on text, it is simple. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and grab the link that you want to add on the text. So for my case, I want to add this link for this website. So I'll go ahead and copy it using Ctrl+C on my keyboard and then come back to my slide. Then go ahead and click on the text box and highlight the word that you want to insert the link under. Once you have highlighted it, head over to this insert link icon and then click on it. And here you can see we have various options. If you have your link already existing in a Google Drive, you can select it from the list. However, if it's from external, just go ahead and paste it here using Ctrl+V and then click on apply. And immediately you can see the text has changed and it has a link underneath. So if I go ahead and click on that text, it will show me the website that I linked this website to. So that's how you can add a link on text. Should you want to add a link on image, it is still the same. Go ahead and click on the image and then head over to insert link. And because you have already copied the link, go ahead and paste it here using Ctrl+V and then apply. And now you can see if I hover over this image, I'll have the link to the website that I linked it to. So that's how you can add a link in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.